The voice was made via an online tool. Today, I take you aboard my imaginary boat. Let's go to the Bons-enfants street. Its name comes from the Bons-enfants High School. Founded in 1358, this institution took in poor children from the city to educate them. This was abolished in 1556. Then, this institution was replaced in 1616 by a convent, that of the Congregation of the Feuillants, which was closed and destroyed during the Revolution. In this street, take the time to discover the different points of interest. First, at number 55, you can see a synagogue there. It is the most famous building on Bons-enfants Street. Its history is very rich. Destroyed in 1944, during the Second World War, it will then be rebuilt. A little before, at number 21, I recommend that you take a look at this unusual and colorful restaurant called Les Brigades du Kitsch. It means the kitschy team. Its atypical decoration is worth the detour, especially if you were born in the 80s. Finally, take advantage of the whole of the street to admire the painted and colored bollards thanks to the contribution of many artists as well as the magnificent half-timbered houses. Small bonus, if you have already listened to my podcast on the Stolperstein, in other words the memory tiles, you will find one at number 74.